Today I am presenting my project titled AI based railway track crack detection system using deep learning. The main objective of this project is to improve railway safety by automatically detecting cracks and defects on railway tracks using artificial. The technologies used in this project are: programming language is Python, deep learning and artificial intelligence are YOLO, the machine learning libraries are NumPy, Pandas, sklearn, and the web framework is Django, and the front end technologies are. These technologies work together to collect railway track images, process them, detect cracks using deep learning models, store the data in that SQL database, and display the results through a web-based application. This is about the technologies I used for this project. Now I am going to explain about the execution process for this project. First, we need to give the admin credentials. Username is admin, and now I'm giving the password. Here I'm selecting the user type is as admin, login. Here this is the admin panel. We need to go to the user management. Here the registered applications are 1. Now I'll delete this and I add fresh registered applicants. Before adding the registered applicants, first we need to log in as a user. So I need to log out from this admin panel. So I need to register as the user first. I'm giving the username, I'm giving the ID, and I'm giving the mail. I'm giving the phone number. I'm giving the password and register. The registration is successful, so we need to log in. Before logging into the user, first we need to go to the admin panel because we need to activate the user from the admin. So select the type as admin, login, go to the user management. Here we can see the registered applicants are 1. So the status is waiting because the action is active. So we need to activate this. Here now the status is approved. In this action we can delete this and we can deactivate this. So this is about admin panel. Now I'll show you the user, how the user can do the work. Now we need to log in as user. Password, select the user type as user, login. This is the user panel. In this user panel we need to go to the prediction. In this prediction you can see the image AI, video AI and live camera. This image AI is used for upload image for prediction, and this video AI used for upload video for analysis, and this live camera is used for real-time prediction. So now I'm going to tell about the image AI. Now we need to upload an image. Here we can see that image. Here you can see that the crack is detecting. This is about the image AI. Now I'll show you the video AI. So we need to upload a video. Here this is a video. Here you can see that the crack is detecting. You can see that. So this is about video AI. Now I am going to explain about live camera, which is real-time prediction. So this real-time prediction, we can use this application in real time with live camera, and we can deploy the code with the help of the drone software, and we can fly the drone on railway tracks. It can show the live crack detection in live feeding. This is about live camera, and this is about our project. So thanks for watching our video. For more videos, you can watch our Vegai YouTube channel, and in that YouTube channel you can find more Java and Python projects. Thank you for watching.